So friends, let's see today's delicious Goan Chana Usali. Now here I've taken half a cup of Kabulichana boiled. I'll leave the instructions in the description box and the comment section as to how to get them to the perfect consistency. We want them to be really well cooked. Now let's look at the other ingredients. Here I have half a cup of freshly grated coconut. We're going to use 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of asafoetida and half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, some salt to taste. This is 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds or dhania. Here I have 1 inch of cinnamon, 8 peppercorns and 4 cloves. A few curry leaves, about 3 or 4 dried red chillies, 2 teaspoons of jaggery and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Now first I'm going to dry roast the spices, that is the red chillies, the cinnamon, the cloves, the pepper, the coriander seeds and the jeera or the cumin seeds. We're going to roast them for a whole 1 minute on a low to medium flame till you get the lovely aroma of all these spices. Once they're at room temperature, I'm going to transfer them to my mixer jar, add the coconut and also 1/4 cup of water. And we're going to grind this to a very smooth paste, and we're also going to retain the masala water. Now I'm going to heat a pan and I'm just going to add about 1 teaspoon of oil. Spread the oil around. Now once the oil is nice and hot, we're going to add the mustard seeds. Let the mustard seeds splutter. Once they begin to splutter, we're going to add the curry leaves. Next, we're going to add the hing or asafoetida as well as the turmeric powder. Give this all a good mix. And then we're going to add our cooked Kabulichana. Let me tell you quickly how I cook them to the Kabulichana. So first I soak the Kabulichana, wash it really well under water thrice, soak it. Okay, now we're going to add the ground masala. I will tell you how to make the Kabulichana as we go along in the recipe, and I'll leave it in the comment section. So after you have washed it well, soak it for a good 7 to 8 hours, and after that cook it in your pressure pan for 1 whistle on high. Now we're adding the masala water, 1 whistle on high and then simmer it for 15 minutes. So in total I've now added about 3/4 cup of water. Don't worry, I'll leave the instructions in the description box below as to how to cook the Kabulichana. Now I'm adding the jaggery or the gourd or the gur and I'm adding salt to taste. And once you pressure cook it, let the pressure pan cool completely. And then you just take one of the Kabulichanas and press it between your 2 fingers, the forefinger and the thumb, and it should be really nice and soft. It should immediately crush. So now mix everything really well. And now we just have to cover this and cook it on a low to medium heat for about 7 to 8 minutes till everything comes together. And now our lovely usar is ready. My kitchen has a beautiful aroma of this and I can't wait to dig in, and I'm just going to garnish it with some fresh coriander leaves. And our beautiful Goan Chana usal is all ready. I like to have this with some hot rice or some pao. And if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also, by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up. So just click on that. That way, whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you'll get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.